What's up, guys? So I am just starting with a couple days old hair. It's not dirty or anything, but so I'm going in with my Eco Styler gel and my boar bristle brush and just, molding that into my desired height for my ponytail. You guys can go in with any Eco Styler gel that you guys prefer. I just prefer the black castor oil and flaxseed one. So I'm just taking an ouchless goodie band, no metal on it or anything, and I'm just putting that into my desired ponytail. And I am braiding my hair here, so all of my hair can be protected under this ponytail. Do y'all see the waves though? Black people, we got good hair. So I'm just going in with some extra gel, and I'm just putting my ponytail into a bun with some bobby pins. And I'm just showing you guys the ponytail. I love this ponytail so much, y'all. I actually bought it. Also, guys, I will link my go-to summer style ponytail in the info card, so definitely check that out. So, guys, I am using the Instant Pony by Sensational. This is a perm yaki in 30 inches in the color 1B. No, it's not a 1B, it's a 1. Yeah, it's a 1. So, it says it is safe up to 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I ain't putting no heat on this, so I don't need that. But yeah, so I'll put all the information in the description box or like around this video of where I got it from. So this is what the hair looks like. It's super long. Let's put this bad boy on, okay? So guys, here I'm just showing you the front comb, the back comb, and the drawstring. And I'm just applying my ponytail. And I am taking that drawstring and twisting it around to just conceal it so it's not showing through. Got some open bobby pins, and I'm taking a piece from the back to wrap around, so it's just an extra measure of concealing that drawstring and just making sure everything is intact and it's not going nowhere. Just taking some more gel and fixing that up. Making sure all those little flyaways are gone. You gotta fleek the baby hairs, of course. Like, you can't leave that out. Taking my scarf, and we're gonna have this on for about 10 minutes so it can set and come back. You guys will see that I actually had to put a little bit of some holding spray on there, which is the Mega Hold holding spray, and some Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold for these edges, because y'all see that gel did not do nothing. This is like my favorite edge control. This is really the only one that works on my edges because clearly I am natural. So yes, gotta fleek them baby hairs. And that's it. Voila. My 30-inch ponytail, which I love. And you see, it damn near hits my booty. I'm only 5'2", so yeah. And you got to get cute. Got to take Snapchat flicks. Yes. And that is it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.